Okay, people, I just wanted to explain something really fast. I don't think I did a good job in the last video explaining the what's the point of this getStaticProps. Um, you might have been saying, well, we already do this in React. We get data, we put it on the page, whatever, we move it around. The point of this getStaticProps is in Next.js, when you're done coding your page and you're ready to host it somewhere, there's a build step. That is, before it gets hosted, you run a build, or if you host it on Vercel and have it on GitHub, it does that automatically. But the point is, there's a build step, and it spits out static HTML. In other words, if you're doing like a regular React app, this all this data being filled in is happening sort of on the fly in your browser. What we're doing here is we're generating these pages so that that's happening before you even host it. So in other words, like for instance, if I take a look at this page, what's being spit out by Next is it's just HTML. It's not a bunch of JavaScript that's filling in a bunch of components. So the point being, it's much faster. Smaller files, much faster. You can host it just anywhere. So there's a lot of advantage. It's like it's like a static site generator. Um, the cool thing that we're going to get into later is that it's more than a static site generator, because you can have pages like this that are statically generated, which are super duper fast, but mixed in your same site, you'll be able to have server render pages, sort of like an Express app or a PHP app, or however you want to think of it. But the getStaticProp is for pages where you want to have it generate a static page, hence the name. Okay. Again, I just wanted to touch on that real fast because I don't really think I did a good job of that in the previous video when we started the getStaticProps part. Okay, next video we're going to be picking up, let's see, we got these users from our API, but these don't go, these are going to be links, and they're going to go to each one of these is going to have an individual page. And another part of our build step is we're going to have each one of these individual pages will be generated automatically in the build step. You'll see as we in the next video. All right, thanks.